Welcome to Biomed Easy Talk. Anesthesia machine was developed by Dr. Henry Edmund Gaskin Boyle. Before going to the machine, what is anesthesia? Anesthesia is used the drugs to prevent pain during medical procedures. For example, pressuring the pause button on pain. The anesthesia machine makes the patient sleep during surgery so they don't feel any pain or get hurt while the operation is being performed. An anesthesia machine mixes oxygen, medical gases, and anesthetic vapor in precise amounts, then safely delivers them to the patient while supporting breathing and removing carbon dioxide during surgery. Anesthesia machine parts: gas supply provides oxygen and gases, regulator reduces gas pressure, flow meter controls gas flow, vaporizer adds anesthetic vapor, oxygen flush gives 100% oxygen, breathing circuit deliver gases, ventilator helps breathing, CO2 absorber removes carbon dioxide, scavenging system removes waste gases, monitor check patient safety. Types of anesthesia machine: continuous flow machine, most common in hospital; intermittent flow machine, delivers gas only when needed; portable MRI compatible machine, used for transport and MRI procedures; no pain, no fear, safe care. Thank you.